Hello and welcome to this voiceover of our Friday afternoon trading session, in where we took a Russell trade, a TF trade, and I just thought it'd be a great little video to make and put on Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, some of the social media outlets. What we're looking for is these strategy buttons to light up. We want to talk about the strategy buttons with this order flow button here. When this lights up like it did here, we look for the instrument, we click on the box, the Russell. We look to make sure we want to take the trade.
Order
We click on the
pending.
strategy button. It then puts in this case, a dual OCO order, one at resistance and one at method entry. Whichever gets filled first will be filled, and then we'll cancel out the other order. This is an OCO entry order. And then once one gets filled, it will then use the ATM in that row, which in this case is a one car 6-wick Renko, which essentially should be a 2-brick stop, 4-brick target. If it's not, we'll adjust the order, the stops and the targets to be as such. And this way we can show you using the adjustments of Chart Trader, the Ninja Trader Chart Trader, adjusting stops and targets once you're in the market. The white shows us that we're in the trade and not in profit. Excuse me, not in the trade yet. We have an order in the white block in the AMAII. Once we're in a trade, it'll turn red, which means that we are short. The white means we're waiting to get into a trade. We have an order in. Okay, and the red inside the order flow button means we have a strategy trade that have met the criteria that we have set for the strategy functions that we have turned on, the filtering. Okay, so once this either the method side gets filled or the resistance side gets filled, which
Order
it did right there,
canceled.
it cancels the other side. In this case, we got the method side filled. So now we're going to bring down the stop. So it's where we want to be, just under 2 bricks with a tick under 4 bricks for a target. So it's 2 to 1, reward to risk at trade, which is a maximum. In trade, it'll probably be far less. And then when we get to the double bottom here, since it's not 3 bricks, if it was 3 bricks, we take profit there. Since it's not, we'll just pull the risk and move to break even. So we don't have to worry about taking a losing trade at a double bottom, which is a natural place for outside in traders to get long, especially because there probably will be divergence when price comes down to this double bottom. So at divergence, a lot of people like to get long. We don't want to fight mixed method trading. So, if and when price gets down here, we will make sure that we respect what traders do and with other methods and pull the risk out of the trade. Again, if we have 4 bricks is our target, less a tick. If we have 3 bricks in it, we're taking profit. Okay. I'm going to open up the chart in a bit, and you'll see that this area, you can see these red lines coming across here. Our target area is right at a big double bottom. We're going to make it break that double bottom, or it's 1 tick past it. Normally I'd make an adjustment, but the TF is kind of trailing behind the other markets. So the other markets push through. There's a good possibility this could catch up and just pull right through. We also have reverse divergence, as you can see right here, that black line. But this is not true reverse divergence or hidden divergence. Usually is represented by a big run up with a deep pullback, that black line. But mathematically, it satisfies a formula that allows it to plot. But in this case, it's not really hidden divergence or reverse divergence. So we just ignore it. It's one of the few cases where price is higher, Momo is lower, compared to a place where price is lower and Momo is higher, off to the left there with the green bar hanging down. So we'll just ignore it. So in any case, we wait, and I'll be back in a second. All right, as you can see here, we came down to the double bottom. We pulled, actually the ATM pulled the risk out automatically. When we went 2 bricks, it's just built into the ATM to take the risk out. We moved it an extra tick, so if a reverse Renko bar forms, we'll get out of break even plus whatever early entry we got in. It was a tick in this case. So we're looking to come down to 3 bricks, and then we'll pull that stop down another brick. So if we get a reverse Renko bar, we'll get out. And we're looking at this double bottom. As we get close to 3 bricks, one of two things is going to happen. It's either going to bounce quickly or it's just going to fly right through. So we'll grab that target there and we'll try to pull it up as the third brick forms. Depending on how fast the price action is, we may or may not have time to do it. So you can see here, I'll just start to, go in and grab it. Let me just try to pull this stop down, and it's right at that, just a couple of ticks across that double bottom. This is where, as a discretionary trader, you think, do I take profit here? Do I not take profit here? And we have 3 bricks of profit in. We're actually going for 4 less a tick, and before you
Target
can even think
filled.
about it or do anything, boom, it just goes and fills you, right at target. So full size target fill right there. Good call. May not go much past that. Not much of a real trailer. Don't really know at this point in time. So just wanted to show you that brings us up over about $1,300 for the day. Single contract trading. Just keep in mind on a $5 and $6.25 market, we're using 2 contracts as one. And today we're 1 contract trading essentially, or target trading, no trailing. So showing you the AMAII, the strategy trade button in this nice little short video clip that you can see. Any other further interest, please visit trendfollowingtrades.com. Send us an email, info@trendfollowingtrades.com, or give us a call in the contact area. We believe in crawl, walk, which is our CT trader, our chart trading, and then with the run and fly, when you get to the AMAII, it does so much more for you. Anybody has any questions, wants to know more, please don't hesitate to contact us. We also still have a webinar special going on until midnight Sunday at February 28th midnight, which will expire 25% off.